Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI text app inside. Today we need to create here the user profiles and edit profiles. We need to develop these here. First of all, let's how to write down inside the codes. First of all, we need to see these designs. First of all, we need to go inside the open these XD files and to look like this designs we need to develop here first of all, and then after we need to create this edit screens. Let's start how to write down inside the SwiftUI. First of all, need to and to copy this menu UI data. We need to copy here and we can create here the files, and to select here the SwiftUI view and to create new. Next, and to give this here the name my profile detail, like this, give here the names. Now need to paste this codes here and to set this here close to back button, and also need to remove this here and to set here the key and set here the edit button at this sets. That like this UI, the creatings. A close button is good for this UI. And also need to set this here the foreground colors. Suppose need to go here and need to copy here this back buttons and path, copy here and paste outside, and we need to create here the duplicates and to give this here then as a temp, and also need to set here the one settings, fill skills and rendering as a template image. Now need to copy here and to here paste. Like this UI are the creating here. And now need to create here the set stack to develop this here the set stack. First of all, need to cut this UI here. Stack sets and to cut this UI for the user image. These sets, and now creates here the another stack sets. Also need to set this here the paddings and 15s like these sets, and now we need to create here the text, copy here and to paste this here and to set here the extra bold. I have to give this here the font size. You need to set this here the 25 and to give this here the usernames James Smith like this sets here, and to also need to set here the primary app colors, app text. Need to set this here like this here, and so need to remove here titles, no need. Now need to create here the top alignments, top paddings, not alignments. That is dot top, and to give this here the fixed value, need to check here. Image size is hundreds. Now need to set this here the hundreds like this sets. Is good for this UI. So need to horizontal state this years, but years, and also need to see here the ground color. First of all, need to give this here the max width. Enter. Now need to set here the background color. Colors white. Also need to set here the corner radius. Need to set this here the 15s, all corners sets. Also need to put this here. It has a top like this sets. This corner radius are not working, but to change these orders inside this UI. Sets here. Also need to give this here the alignment. As we need to set here the top sets. Like this displaying here this UI, and also set this here. Top padding. 15 like this sets. 10 is good. Also need to remove these here. 25. Now go to this UI and come to here divider. Create here the stack like this sets. Need to create here the spacing. Set as a 0, and now we need to create here the dividers. Set. Now need to create here stack, and to set here the title subtitles row, and to titles or center. These good buttons need not row, and to give this here the titles here value of. Now need to set here the total trips like this sets. Also need to value. Again, need to paste this years and to set this here the years 2.5. This give. And also need to create here the rectangles. Give this here the fill colors. We need to set here light gray. And also need to set here the ramps. We need to give this here the width. As I need to set here the ones, and heights we need to give this here the 17 like this. Like this are the UI are the creating here, and also need to give this here the remove this here. Something. Another step to here. Alignment. Set this here top like this sets. Also need to cut this here. So all cut here as well and to here. Also need to give here down sets. Now we need to create here the stack. Also alignments we need to here the tops. Get here the rectangle. Need to copy here and to paste this here and to set these colors. Copy here and here like this sets. Set here the infinity and to give this here the heights as 50. Cut this here the select. Move this here and to this here. On it to this stack. Which stack we need to remove, not child stack. And now we need to set here the background color. To set here the colors light white. Yes. Now this is the displaying like this UI, and also need to create here things. Is 18s and also need this here like this sets. 150 like sets here. Now we need to set this here the this here's also slight gray. I need to set this here the titles proportionally. Like this sets. I need to set this here the teens extra. Like this sets here's also need to remove this. Like this sets UI. Look like this creates here's also need to add here some one by one the edges and value. Create here the stack. Put this value here. This here. Also need to create here the backgrounds and to set this here colors as a white. This creates. Also need to share the vertical paddings. Like this set shears, and we need to set this value as a now need to set this here the font numbers. Now need to set here first of all need to set here the padding verticals and need to set this here the 20 and like this set 15 is good, and also need to increase this here the spacings and to set here the 15s like this sets, and we need to set here the one by one's value. Like this font numbers we need to set this here, and to change these icons to look here as I give this here the font icons sets. Then after need to set here the email address code any correct single set, and also need to change this here the another value of the row is and spans vanish like this sets, and also another things you need to set this here the address at here like this sets, and now need to set here icons for your emails. Then after home and language home active language and first one see like this sets, and like this creates here the emails. Also need to here Need to select here the stability and colors. Here, primary text set, and also last ones need to name this here on it. Like this sets here the this value, and to set this here data. And now we need to create here the edit profile screens. We need to develop this here. First of all, we need to create here the new files. SwiftUI inside to create here the edit profile. Got creates like this sets here, and also need to create here the copy this here. First of all, the go inside the sign up screens and to copy this all data. Now we need to go inside the edit profile view and to paste these codes. Also need to import country picker like this set, and now we need to set here first name, last name. No need address. We need to remove here's mobile numbers, remove these passwords. To create. Now need to create here the back buttons. Set here the edit profile like this. Titles need to set these years. Also need to set like this the examples, placeholders, mobile numbers like this sets. Also need to give this here the email address. Like this sets it the examples. Set here the email. Like this sets. Also need to remove this here, this value here, and to remove another things. And to put this value here and to this here, and to set this here the button name says a save sets. Let's see the button, and we need to remove this click events like this sets here. And now I'm waiting for the loading this UI. And we need to create here the tops as well as paddings. We need to see here vertical padding. So 20 is good. Displaying here the this UI, and to fix this here the top bars. Copy here and to paste this here. With this edit profile text and to this here. Also need to like this sets also vehicles here as well. Go inside the edit profiles and to put this value here. And now I am waiting for the loading this UI. like this sets here, then displaying this UI. I want to configure inside the profiles. Need to create here edit buttons. Create here the navigations link. And now we need to do this here navigation link destinations with like this sets here these titles, but here's paste this here's. Now we need to set here the edit profile view like this sets, and now we need to paste this here. So also we need to set this here as a navigation view content. That's it. Now we need to also need to test this UI side of it. Click and to opening this screens like this displaying goods here this UI. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please comment write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.